Hello friend, today we are seeing how to use like operator. To see like operators, let's see first our table. Select star from employee. So this is our table and we are using like operator in this. So like operator mostly we are using on the column where the data type is varchar, means alphabet is present. So in that column we are using to like operator. Now consider name column is there. Suppose we have to find the name which is starting from alphabet P. So how we can use? So that we are using like operator, like select star from employee where name, like here we have to use like operator and we want start from P alphabet, so we have to consider P percentage because name start from the P. Okay, then we have to run it. You can see there which is name starting from P alphabet will be present, like for Prasad, Pallavi, etc. Okay, similarly if you want to name ends with certain alphabets, so how we can find that? Now consider select star from employee where name, we have to use again like operator. Now we want to find ends with I alphabet, so we have to first consider percentage, then we have to use I alphabet. So like that way the percentage symbol we have to use after or before the character as per our requirement. So if we run that, we can see here names end with I alphabet is present because we are using percentage then alphabet. This way we can use percentage to start position or end position, like this way. Similarly, if we want to not find for starting position or ending position of alphabet, but the alphabet present in between somewhere, so how can we find that? So for that we have to use select star from employee where name, like. Now this time we have to give percentage and consider we required name which contain SHW alphabet. Again we have to consider percentage, means we don't know what is the starting character, we don't know what is the ending character, that shows by percentage. We just know between the in between character. So that's why we are giving the characters in 2% sign. Okay, so you can see here SHW is coming in Maheshwari, so it doesn't consider what is the first alphabets or last alphabets, it just considering what is the in between alphabets. So like this way we can see like operator using by percentage. Okay, so like operator again use for another we can say the symbol, that is a underscore symbol, and that we'll consider how underscore symbol we can use. Okay, so consider select star from employee where name, like. Now we are using underscore sign. Underscore sign means giving the exact value of alphabet. For example, one underscore considering one alphabet. Now I am considering five underscore, means it will be showing the name which contain five alphabets. Okay, so you can see here it will be showing the data of alphabet 5 which is containing, because I have used 5 underscore. So like this way these two records containing the 5 alphabets name it shows. So like this way we can use like operator considering percentage or underscore. Okay, thank you.